Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Firebase, Supabase, and MongoDB. Firebase, Supabase, and MongoDB are backend solutions that cater to different needs. Firebase offers real-time databases, authentication, and serverless functions for mobile and web apps. Its easy-to-use interface accelerates development but becomes expensive as the project scales. It lacks full control over the backend infrastructure, making it less customizable. It is great for rapid app development but may have limitations for complex needs. On the other hand, Supabase is an open-source backend platform using Postgres-SQL. It is highly flexible, providing more control over the database and backend compared to Firebase. It is developer-friendly but may require more setup and configuration for advanced features. It is ideal for relational databases and open-source enthusiasts. Meanwhile, MongoDB is widely used NoSQL database known for its flexibility and scalability with large datasets. It enables schema-less data storage, ideal for unstructured or complex data. However, it lacks the out-of-the-box real-time and serverless features that Firebase and Supabase offer. It's great for high data volume and scalability, but needs more manual backend setup. In my opinion, Firebase is best for quick app development with real-time features, Supabase for flexible relational data, and MongoDB for large, unstructured data. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.